To enable hibernation, run these commands in the terminal and follow me. Alright, so first of all we just drag and drop this command into the terminal and press enter. Enter your user password after this. Alright, if it demands, and you need to just copy this UUID from here. Type here resume equal to UUID equals, paste this UUID. Alright, and now just drag and drop this second command and press enter. Now it will open a file named grub. So after here you can see this line, after this splash you need to give a space and just copy this line and paste it in here. Okay, and now just click on save from here. It is saving the file and the file has been successfully saved. Click on close from here, and now just run this last command and press enter. Now we have successfully enabled the hibernation. So let me show you. Open some of the files and softwares in here so that you can see that the hibernation still works. After opening these files, what you have to do is go to the terminal and type this command: sudo systemctl space hibernate. Just copy this command from here and drop it in here and press enter. Now it just got hibernated. So now we have just restarted our Ubuntu. Just enter your password in here and press enter. Now here you can see that the files are still open, so the hibernation works fine. Okay.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.